Welcome to the Sonnet product overview, focusing on the Echo Express 3D, a Thunderbolt 2 to PCIe card expansion system. The 3D enables you to use 3 expansion cards with any Mac that has a Thunderbolt or Thunderbolt 2 port, and Windows computer with a Thunderbolt 2 port. Expansion cards add connections and capabilities to a computer, may even replace a piece of outboard equipment, and are often essential for connecting various video, audio, and storage equipment to your computer. Until the introduction of Thunderbolt technology, if you wanted to use these cards, you were limited to installing them into open PCIe slots in your Mac Pro or Windows workstation. Now, computers are more compact than ever, and many provide limited or no internal expansion options. While today's Macs have greater processing power than ever, expansion options for specialty interfaces primarily depend on Thunderbolt technology. Some Windows computers and every Mac shipping today have one or more Thunderbolt ports, with the Mac Pro sporting an impressive 6 Thunderbolt 2 ports. Most models include Thunderbolt 2, the latest and fastest Thunderbolt technology available. Thunderbolt 2 technology incorporates support for the DisplayPort 1.2 protocol, which enables video streaming to a 4K video monitor. In addition to carrying the DisplayPort video signal, the Thunderbolt interface extends the PCIe bus outside the computer, ultimately enabling you to connect expansion cards. The dual Thunderbolt configuration of the 3D also supports connecting additional Thunderbolt-enabled peripherals in a daisy chain of up to 6 devices, including storage and displays. But you can't plug a Thunderbolt cable into expansion cards. That's where the Sonnet Echo Express 3D comes in. This box holds up to 3 expansion cards and connects them to your computer with one Thunderbolt cable. The 3D features a 20 gigabit per second Thunderbolt 2 interface, which provides enough bandwidth to enable most PCIe cards to operate at their full throughput capacity when connected to computers like the new Mac Pro. They are also fully compatible with older Macs and devices equipped with 10 gigabit Thunderbolt technology. This chassis supports every Thunderbolt-compatible card available, regardless of its length, height, width, or power requirements. See our website for an up-to-date list of PCIe cards tested for Thunderbolt compatibility. It's easy to navigate there by clicking on this graphic from the Echo Express 3D product page on Sonnet's website. The 3D is built to support power-hungry cards. It has a universal 300-watt power supply built in, and even provides extra auxiliary power to cards that require it. The 3D's case is constructed of rugged and lightweight aluminum, which not only helps protect the cards inside, but also helps to dissipate heat away from the cards, unlike a plastic case that acts as an insulator. The 3D is well regarded for its extremely quiet operation, while keeping any combination of compatible PCIe cards cooled properly. The 3D is equipped with 2 ultra-quiet, variable speed fans to cool the cards. The fans are automatically temperature controlled, so you won't have to guess the proper fan speed switch position. The fans only spin as fast as needed. The fans effectively and quietly cool the installed cards, even at peak operation, without you having to resort to installing larger and louder fans, or installing a blower card in one of the slots. If you look carefully, you'll notice something's missing. There's no power switch. This energy-saving feature helps you avoid leaving the 3D running unnecessarily. When connected to your computer, the 3D only turns on when your computer does, powers off with your computer, and sleeps when your computer sleeps. With this design, cards are powered just as they would be if they were installed within the computer. And now, let's take a look at some extras. The 3D includes mounting holes for BNC connectors. Some cards like Red Digital Cinema's Red Rocket and Rocket X use BNC ports for HD, SDI output, but those connectors are usually mounted on a plate that takes up a PCIe card space. Just move the connectors to the provided mounting holes and keep the slot space free for another card. Avid customers will be happy to know that not only is the Sonnet Echo Express 3D extremely quiet in operation, which is essential in recording studios and other environments, but it is also Avid qualified. For added value, Sonnet provides a Thunderbolt cable and Thunderbolt cable lock with the 3D. The cable lock prevents accidental disconnects. And to top it off, the Echo Express 3D is backed by a 5-year warranty at no extra cost. Outfitted with 3 PCIe slots, 300 watts of power, and support for every Thunderbolt-compatible card, the Echo Express 3D will enable you to expand your computer far outside of the box. You might also like to know that Sonnet offers other 3-slot PCIe card expansion systems, the Echo Express 3R and the XMac Pro server. We know that not everybody works at a desk, and that mounting equipment in a rack may be a necessity. We've got you covered there too with the Sonnet Echo Express 3R, a rack mount version of the 3D. In addition to the 3-slot expansion chassis, this product also supports the installation of a mobile rack device mounting kit that enables you to install devices like drives, card readers, and tape backup into the same 2U space. Or if you need expansion and mounting support for the new Mac Pro, take a look at the Sonnet XMac Pro server. Inside its 4U chassis, it offers the same 3 PCIe slots and mobile rack kit expansion as the Echo Express 3R, but also securely mounts the Mac Pro in the same rack space. 2 other Sonnet products that can add substantial value to your workflow are SSD storage PCIe cards and long optical Thunderbolt cables. Sonnet's 3 high-performance SSD storage options mount into PCIe slots. All are optimized for great performance over Thunderbolt 2 and support booting of attached computers. The Tempo SSD is a half-length card that you attach your own 2.5-inch SATA SSD. With the included extension plate, you can install a second SSD for added storage capacity. This card is capable of delivering data transfers up to 700 megabytes per second. Next up is the Tempo SSD Pro Plus, a full-length card that carries 2 2.5-inch SATA SSDs. This card incorporates a controller for each SSD to increase performance. It also features a pair of eSATA ports that enable you to connect external drives with eSATA interfaces, and supports Sonnet's exclusive locking eSATA cables. This card supports data transfers up to 940 megabytes per second. Last and fastest, the Tempo PCIe SSD is a low-profile card that includes a 512GB PCI Express SSD. The SSD incorporates a built-in PCI Express controller, enabling the card to deliver blistering fast data transfers of up to 1100 megabytes per second. For those who need to locate their Thunderbolt expansion system or other device more than 3 meters from their computer, Sonnet offers optical Thunderbolt cables, which provide the compatibility, performance, and durability of standard copper Thunderbolt cables, but are available in lengths of 5.5, 10, 30, and 60 meters. Thank you for watching this Sonnet product overview. Please visit our website at sonnettech.com for more information.